You've chosen your onsen town. Now, what should you actually pack? Good news! Ryokan provide more than you'd expect. Here are 7 things to know before you zip up your suitcase. Item 1. The essentials are covered. Most ryokan provide a yukata robe, towels, toothbrush, and amenities. Unlike Western hotels, you can genuinely travel light, sometimes almost empty-handed. Item 2. A small hand towel, but only for day trip onsen. Ryokan provide them with your room, though public bathhouses often don't. Remember, never let it touch the water. Item 3. Fresh underwear and comfortable clothes. You'll change into a yukata at the ryokan, so you need less clothing than you think. 1 relaxed outfit per day is plenty. Item 4. Moisturizer and skincare. Hot spring minerals can dry out your skin, especially sulfur in acidic waters. A small bottle of lotion after bathing makes a big difference. Item 5. Some cash and coins. Vending machines, coin lockers, day trip onsen entry fees, and small local shops often don't take cards. A few thousand yen in coins saves the day. Item 6. Easy slip-on shoes. You'll remove your shoes constantly at the ryokan, temples, and some restaurants. Clean socks without holes matter more than you'd expect. And item 7. What to leave behind. Skip the pajamas, big towels, and hairdryer. Your ryokan has them all. The lighter your bag, the better your trip. That's your packing list. Light, simple, and stress-free. Now you're truly ready for your first onsen trip. Next time, I'll show you exactly what happens when you arrive at a ryokan, step by step. See you there.